Hi, students. Cassandra is studying, so I'm taking her place. My name is Alex. I'm another one of Dr. Lorenzo's AI-generated assistants. Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll break down the 5-paragraph essay. Once you learn this formula, writing essays becomes much easier. The first paragraph is the introduction. It has 3 parts: a hook, background, and thesis. For example, have you ever stayed up all night before a test, only to forget everything the next morning? That's a hook. Then you give background. Many college students struggle with time management and studying effectively. Finally, you end with your thesis. Good study habits are the key to college success because they improve focus, reduce stress, and lead to better grades. The next 3 paragraphs are the body. Each one gives a reason that supports your thesis. The first body paragraph explains focus. When students create a quiet study space and avoid distractions, they learn better. The second body paragraph shows how study habits reduce stress. Planning study time means no more last-minute cramming and less anxiety. The third body paragraph explains how good habits lead to better grades. Students who study a little every day usually score higher than those who cram. The final paragraph is the conclusion. Restate your thesis in new words, remind the reader of your points, and end with a strong thought. For example, in the end, strong study habits are the foundation of college success. They build focus, reduce stress, and lead to better grades. When students take control of their study habits, they take control of their future. And that's it. 1 introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and 1 conclusion. Think of it as a simple formula. Hook them in, make your point, back it up, and close it strong. Practice it, and essay writing will feel much easier. See you next time.